Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today I'm going to be showing you a little hack to save a little bit of money with our full color transfers. On our custom full color transfer page on the MyCraftSource website, you're going to go ahead and click the Customizer. It's going to have you sign in first if you're not signed in, so be sure to do that, Customizer. And now that we're here, we are greeted with a couple things. So we have our layers and we have our sizes. On the right over here, instead of doing a normal 10 by 10 sheet that you would use for the adult sizes, we're going to go ahead and scroll down with our scroll wheel and click on the FM. It'll bring us to a 20 by 20 little template that we can use. The reason you want to choose a 20 by 20 over the 10 by 10s is because it's going to save you money in the long run. Under the assumption that you need 4 10 by 10 transfers, instead of spending $22 for all 4, you could use the 20 by 20 method and end up getting 8 transfers for $21.50. So you get double for the same price. So yeah, cool. Back to it. It's gonna help. I promise it is. It may seem annoying, but trust me, it works. So we're gonna click the plus on the layers, choose image. Go ahead and pick the image you want to use. I'm gonna click that just for demonstration purposes. On it, scroll down to layer settings down here. You can bring the size to just under half of that page. So my image is smaller than 10 by 10. So essentially your 10 by 10 image is gonna fit 4 in there perfectly. I can fit a good few more solely because my image is so small. So make it about halfway, click again, and you're just going to repeat that process over and over. Shrink it down to size, and we're gonna move it. We're actually gonna do something a little bit different. We're going to the left and right over here and moving that to the right a little bit bigger just in case. We're gonna do that again just to show you the process and bring it down here with the up and down portion of the layer settings. We'll rank it to about halfway. And I'll say right there. I'm gonna bring it down even further. So if you'll notice right here, it won't let me go down any farther. That's because my image is not a perfect square. Since your image will be a perfect square, it will fill up this space completely, as will it up here. Go back up, go to our layers, scroll down. Inside the layers portion, click new again, use image again. Same thing one last time, click on it. We're gonna go ahead and bring it as far down as we can. We're gonna shrink it down to size and then just scoot it over. All right, and that is essentially how you would do that. You would just make your 4 separate layers, put them on there, arrange them in that 20 by 20 space to where there is 1 in each corner. After that, you would scroll down to project name. You would name it, I'm just gonna name it 20x20 test. You would click save project, and this is what you would get. Like I said before, this space would be filled in with your perfect square image. At this point, you can go ahead and click add to cart. Remember, the minimum quantity to purchase is 2, so you have to buy 2 sheets at minimum. Go ahead and click add to cart. After you click add to cart, we can click checkout, and at that point you are good to go. Coolio doolio. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.